Hello and welcome. Now, if you are going to be transcribing a certain individual and you want to use your Dragon Naturally Speaking, you will probably have to set up a different profile. And one of the ways you can do that is to go into Dragon, and you're looking at the Dragon bar right in this area, and you're going to go over to your profile. You're going to click to open the profile, and then you're going to just start by clicking New User Profile. What you'll do is you'll add in New, and then you will then click Next. What you'll do is you'll write in the other person's name or something that identifies the other profile. Then you'll want to be specific about the fact that this is going to be a profile used to transcribe recordings of someone else speaking. You're going to click this box, and then you're going to click Next. Now, if the person has a different kind of accent, you'll want to change that accent to reflect here. And once you've done that, you'll then click Next. Once it is complete, you'll get to this point. You can choose to improve Dragon, or you do not have to. Then you can click Next. Once you've done that, you're now ready to set up a transcription from another individual. All you'll need to do is to click Finish. Dragon is now in transcription mode, and we are now ready to transcribe the new audio. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.